What does it mean when somebody says, I testify that Muhammad is the messenger of Allah? What he's saying in essence is that I follow him in everything, in all my speech, in all my actions. I follow Nabiullah Muhammad in my belief system. In simple terms, you're saying I'm upon his sunnah, his way. Sunnah means the way of the Messenger ﷺ. And so when you say I'm upon the way of the Prophet ﷺ, you're also saying I am against the way that is opposite to his way, the newly introduced ways. So you connect yourself to his sunnah, and you also show allegiance to the people who are holding on to that sunnah with you. You have love for them. And you also free yourself from innovation and the people who come with innovation.